To enable over-the-air transfer of data then, we need a SIM card in the tractor. Now, if you're already using NTRIP for your guidance signal correction, you don't need to do this step. But if you're using EGNOS or a satellite-based correction signal, we need to install a SIM card. Now, the SIM card lives up in this roof hatch. So phase one is we need to pull down the roof paneling for a start, and then we'll have a big metal plate in front of us. We need to unbolt that metal plate, let that hinge itself down, and what you'll then see is the receiver and another little white rectangular box which we refer to as being the VDO unit. There's a big plug on the front of that. We need to pull that plug off, and then inside where that plug has been is a little SIM card drawer, and there's a little yellow tab. If you push that tab in, it'll eject the SIM card door, put your SIM card in, pop the door back into place, put the plug back on, and then refit all the roof trim, and then we can look then at what we need to do in the screen settings. We've now got our SIM card installed in the VDO unit, so now we need to configure its settings, and where we do that then is press on the three white lines in the top right hand corner, go to System Setup, and then if we come across to this third tab, Connectivity, if we scroll down, we end up then with this page here. So we've got a drop down box here. If you press in there, you can choose from some various SIM providers, but the best thing to do is hit the plus button and then add in your own SIM provider. Now, each SIM provider will have different connection settings, so the best thing to do there is to Google their APN settings, which will then give you obviously the provider name, the access points of the APN, so it's usually a web address. They'll give you a username, and then they'll give you a password. Input those details for that provider and hit the green tick. And then once we're happy with that, we can hit the green tick on this page, and then what you'll see then is green ticks appear here and here, and that will then show us then once it's connected to that particular provider's network, we will see the signal strength there, and that then means that we're now configured our SIM card and it's now connected to the network. Thanks very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your local dealer or get in contact with us on the FendtONE webpage.